Okay, so another times, good morning to all of you. So I think that we still have how many two students just now already come in. So another is kita tengok pada akhir nanti lah. So this morning we will do the presentation for module 1. Actually the module 1, all the question is from 4 lah. So we do the revisions about the form 4. Actually I have a module 2 and module 3. Kita tengoklah macam mana because after we discuss module 1 we will go to chapter 6 first, okay, and then maybe after that we will do revisions before the school reopen on the June. Telegram, okay, can you see? Boleh ke awak nampak? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, so can you present? You read the questions and then you need to read the questions and then you need to discuss the step how to get the final answer. Okay, start.
Okay. The first question, the Venn diagram in the answer space shows set A, B, and C. Given that universe set element equal to A, union B, union C. On the diagram provided in the answer space, shape the number 1 A intersect with
Complement.
complement B.
B complement. Okay, next.
B complement.
Okay, number 2.
Question 2. A intersect B union C.
No. A union B intersect C.
A union B intersect C.
So A union B intersect C. Which one we need to do first?
A union B.
Yes, but why? Why we need to do the A union B first?
So
Because because we need to solve the bracket first, right? Okay. Yeah. Next. Yeah, continue.
So the answer for question 1 is the A part without include the triangle for A, but without include when it involved with B part. Don't know how to explain, so.
Okay, so first of all, if you look at question number 1, we have 3 set A, B, C, is it? So if you look at your step, your first step is you write each space with one number, is it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is our first step. You need to write numbers in every space. Dalam setiap ruangan kita tulis satu nombor. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from left to right. Actually, from right to left also can, doesn't matter. Yang penting ialah every space one number. Okay, so now we want to do A intersection B complement of B. So A, what is the number inside the set A? The set A is a triangle, is it? So 1, 2. Okay, and then intersect the complement B or B complement. B complement means outside B. So inside the B, we cannot take the number inside the B. We need to take the number outside the B. Outside the B means you need to cross the set B. So you will get 1 and 5. Yes, you already correct, 1, 5. And then after we do this, because this is an intersection. Intersection means that we take the same elements. Yes, you already write down here same elements. 1, 2 intersect 1, 5. So the same element is 1. So means that we need to check the space number 1. So your answer is correct. You explain like this. Okay, number 2, your turn now, Aliyah.
Number 2 is then like number 1. We will write number first. 1, For A, we write 1 and 2.
Mm-hmm.
B, we write 2, 3, and 4. C, we write 4 and 5.
Then
And then we choose 4.
why choose 4 leh? Why you choose 4? So actually we have two operations here. If you still remember, in Form 4 we learned this topic. The title is operation on sets, right? How many operation we have? We have two operation, union and intersection. So for these questions, you need to solve a bracket first. Inside the bracket is union. So A 1 2, B 2 3 4 is correct. 1 2 union 2 3 4 is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4, and then intersect the C is a 4 5. So intersect means we take the same number. 1 2 3 4 intersect 4 5, only one number are the same. So our answer, the final answer is 4. So you shaded the space with the number 4 is correct. So this question is 3 marks. Number 1 marks, number 2 2 marks, because we have two operations here. So 2 marks. Okay. All right. So your answer is correct for Alia. Okay. Next, we go to siapa sekarang? Okay. Questions number 2. Who is number 2?
Me.
Clarissa. Yes. So how you do the presentations?
Same as Alia, using Telegram.
You want to show your Telegram?
Yes.
Okay. Mana Clarissa? Maksudnya you nak saya tunjukkan awak punya jawapan kah?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Alright. Wait. Number 2. Okay. So now, okay. So mungkin yang lain itu you enlarge your screen lah, Okay. Yeah, Clarissa.
Table 2 below shows a study of fast food restaurant of choice for 150 families. Fast food restaurant Kentucky Fried Chicken 40%, McDonald's 34%, Pizza Hut 18%, Nando's 6%, and others 2%. Number 1. The number of families choosing Kentucky Fried Chicken restaurant in base 5. So 150 times 40% equals to 60 families in base 10. So the question is asking for base 5. So you have to divide with 5 repeatedly until the quotation becomes 0. So the answer is read from the bottom to the top, which is 220 in base 5. Number 2. The number of families choosing Pizza Hut and Nando's as their restaurant of choice in the base of 7. So do the same things, which is 150 times 80% equals to 37 families that choosing Pizza Hut, and 150 times 6% equals to 9 families that choosing Nando's. The question is asking to find the sum of the two restaurants in base 7. So 36 base 7 equals to Pizza Hut, that families that choosing Pizza Hut, and 12 base 7 that families choose for Nando's. So 36 base 7 plus 12 base 7 equals to 51 base of 7.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Clarissa. So this question is topic number 2. Topic number 2 in Form 4. There is number base. Number base. And then these questions, you are given the fast food from restaurants, and then the percentage. So the total is 150 family. So for example, KFC is 40%. So 40% times 150 family is 60 family like the KFC. And then for donor, McDonald, 34%. So 34% times 150 is 51 family. Pizza Hut also 27 family. Nando's 9 family, and others 3 family. So altogether is 150 family. If you already write here, so maybe here you boleh tak tulis tapi pelajar ini dia tulis okay, tak ada masalah. Also, the first question, the number of family choosing KFC. And then the answer in best 5. So we have 60 family choose the KFC. 60 family is in best 10, right? In best 10. So how to convert to best 5? Best 10 to other best, we do the divisions. So 60 divided by 5 is 12. So the balance is 0. 12 divided by 5 is 2. A balance is 2. And 2 divided by 5, no, 0. And then the balance is 2. So we read from below to the up, 220. 220 is correct. And then number 2, the number of family choosing Pizza Hut and Nando's. Okay, for these questions, we have 2 of the way. Number 1 is you choose the Pizza Hut and Nando's, right? So this student do Pizza Hut is 27 family in best 10. She convert the 27 best 10 to best 7 first. And then Nando's also do like that. Nando's, we have 9 in best 10. And then she convert to best 7, also use the divisions. Okay, after she convert to the best 7 for each Pizza Hut and Nando's, he do the summation, tambah. Kerana dia kata jumlah tadi kan. Yeah, in best 7. So 36 plus 12 in best 7, so it's 51. Another way is if you want to, actually you can do the 27 plus 9 first also can. 27 plus 9 is 36 in best 10. 36 in best 10 you divide by 7, you also can get 51 in best 7. You nak buat satu-satu kemudian jumlah boleh. Kalau you nak sekali jumlahkan dalam asas 10 dulu kemudian baru sekali convert kepada best 7 pun boleh ya. Okay, so your answer is correct. Okay, your answer is correct. Okay, all right, thank you. And then questions number 3 from siapa?
Me.
Awak ialah okay.
Play the video, sir.
Saya sudah play. Awak boleh nampak kah?
Yes.
Okay.
Not yet.
Tak nampak kah? Can you see the video? Can you see the video now? Hello?
No.
You orang nampak video itu kah?
Tidak.
Sekejap. Kenapa tidak ni? Okay. It's okay. Saya cuba. How to connect? Sekejap mungkin dia kena save kah? Saya tengok dulu. Mana video? Okay. Number 3. So make sure that all of you need to do the corrections for all the question we have discussed. So nanti bukan giliran awak and then awak tidak dengar apa yang kawan kita bincangkan. Kenapa tidak boleh? Why cannot? Okey, saya cuba sekali lagi. Kalau awak tak nampak, beritahu saya. Boleh nampak kah? Kenapa tak nampak screen itu? How about now? Tak nampak. Yeah, you share your screen. Okay. Alright. Yeah, can you share your screen now, Diane?
Already, sir.
But I cannot see anything. The others, can you see the screen?
Wait.
No. Cannot.
Okay, now can. Alright, Diane. Okay. So you start from the beginning for your. First of all, may I know that is it you? Siapa yang bercakap dalam itu? Awak ke?
No.
No. So you jemput siapa? Bukan jemput. Awak minta siapa yang bercakap di dalam itu?
I use app.
Oh, you use the app. Wih, pandainya awak. Okay. Tapi macam mana apps itu tahu apa you nak cerita nanti leh?
I put speech.
Okay, alright. Faham sudah. Okay, alright. Okay. Okay. Mula. Nanti kita lambat. Okay. Thank you. Very good. Tak ada suara.
Already can, sir.
No sound. How about the else? Can you hear anything? Boleh dengar ke? Yang lain boleh bagi feedback?
No.
No sound, right?
Yes.
Yes, Diane, can you continue? Yeah, you just continue lah, oh. Hello? Hello? Left the meeting. Okay, I think we go to the next first. Who is the questions number 4?
Me.
Yeah, Elena, yeah.
Like alias from Telegram.
Alia, siapa Alia? Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, Elena, where is the Elena? Saya okay, okay. So I need to present first, right? Sekejap ah.
Okay.
Where is the this one? Okay, continue. Yes.
Question number 4. A volume for a medal in the diagram for below is 404 centimeter cube, while the volume for the crescent is 60 centimeter cube. Mr. Azam wants to change the pillar for the medal to the cylinder shape. By maintaining the volume of that solid, find the height of the cylinder where the radius of it is 2 cm. So first, we find the volume of medal base, which is 8 times 8 times 4 equal to 256 centimeter cube. Then we find the volume of cuboid, which is the pillar of the middle. So we take 404 centimeter cube minus 60 centimeter cube minus 256 centimeter cube equal to 88 centimeter cube. So the question asks us to, no, the question itulah, asks us the volume of the pillar of the middle change to cylinder shape. So as we know, the volume of the formula of volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So we take the answer of the volume of cuboid 88 equal to pi 22 over 7 times the radius is 2 square times h. So using the calculator, h equal to 7 centimeter.
Yes, correct. Yeah. So these questions, combined volume is 404. Okay. This 404 centimeter cube is include the volume of crescent, cuboid, and we have 2 cuboid. But after that, the pillar, the cuboid, the pillar already changed to cylinder. Yes, this is a wah, awak punya cylinder hebat juga ni. Actually, this is not 2 centimeter. The radius is 2 centimeter. Radius atas ini lah. Okay, so volume of a metal base is a cuboid 8 times 8 times 4, 256, correct? Volume of the cuboid, actually this is already changed to the cylinder lah. 404 minus 60 minus 256, you will get 88. And finally, volume of cylinder equals to 88. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So you substitute pi equals to 22 over 7, radius equals to 2, remember to 2 square and times the height h. So you will get the height of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Okay, this is correct. Okay, who is number 5? Kalau awak tak berapa nampak itu nanti saya hantar jawapan semua ini dalam grup lah yang kawan kita jawab ini. Okay. So number 5, who is number 5?
Me,
Who is you?
Evelyn.
Oh, Evelyn. Okay. Evelyn, mana jawapan awak? Kenapa tak boleh bergerak sudah? Evelyn. Oh, dia memang tidak boleh keluar. Tapi saya sini boleh keluar dia punya size besar. But you can enlarge your screen lah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Mulai.
In diagram 5, PQRS is a trapezium and O is an origin. Straight line PQ is parallel to straight line SR and straight line PS is parallel to y-axis. First, we need to find the gradient of PQ equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 6 minus 4 over 4 minus negative 2 equal to 1 over 3. SR equal to 1 minus y1 over 9 minus negative 2. 1 over 3 equal to 1 minus y1 over 9 minus negative 2. Y1 equal to negative x over 3. A. Find the equation of a straight line PS. X equal to negative 2. B. Find the equation of the straight line RS. Y equal to mx plus c. 1 equal to 1 over 3. 9 in the bracket 9 plus c. C equal to negative 3. The answer is y equal to 1 over 3 x minus 2.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Thank you your presentations. Sekejap. How about now? Boleh nampak lebih size lebih besar ke? Kan? Can you
Ya.
see? Okay. So now saya cuba besarkan. Oh. Okay. So in diagram 5, PQRS is a trapezium and O is an origin. Straight line PQ parallel to the straight line SR and the straight line PS parallel to the y-axis. So first of all, you are asking to find the equation of the straight line PS. So if you look at the PS, PS is parallel to y-axis. So we know that if parallel to the y-axis, the equation is x equals to something. Vertical line x equals to something. So we have a coordinate of p, negative 2, 4. So the x coordinate here is negative 2. So we just give the answer for the equation of the straight line PS is x equals to negative 2. You are correct. X equals to negative 2. And then number 2, you are asking to find the straight line of RS. So to find the RS, if you look at the RS, we need to have two information to find the equation of straight line like this. Number 1 is we need to have a gradient, and number 2 we need to have one of the coordinate on the line. So if we look at the RS, we have coordinate on the line is RS. RS is apa dia di sini? 9,1. The coordinate is 9,1. So we need to use the 9,1 and then gradient we find from PQ lah. We don't have a gradient from RS. But you are given that the PQ and RS is a parallel. So parallel means they have a same gradient. So you can find a gradient for PQ. So this student find the gradient on the left side here. Okay, y2 minus y1 divided by s2 minus s1. 6 minus 1. Sorry, 6 minus 4 divided by 4 minus negative 2. So the gradient is 1 over 3, correct? So after this, this student try to this one. This student try to try to write down y equals to ms plus c lah, but she didn't say substitute gradient equals to 1 over 3 and the point 91. Actually you're right lah, so we substitute the y equals to 1 from the point 91 and then the s equals to 9, gradient equals to 1 over 3. So you will get a c equals to -2. So the equation is y equals to 1 over 3x minus 2. Your answer is correct. But can I ask, kenapa ini ya, Evelyn, apa ini SR sama dengan 1 minus Y1 over 9 minus -2? What is this? Boleh saya faham ke? Ini apa ini ya? Evelyn?
Y1.
Hah?
Y1.
Apa dia? Oh, we know need this one, okay, so you boleh padam lah supaya tidak mengelirukan. So the gradient 1 over 3 you need to write inside the part B here. Jangan tulis atas mesti tulis dalam ruang jawapan yang disediakan di sini ya. So ini adalah contoh set ini ialah contoh format SPM yang begini lah. Bahagian A ada 10 soalan, bahagian B 5 soalan, jawab semua, dan bahagian C ada 2 pilih 1. Itu adalah format terkini SPM ini contoh walaupun dia form 4. Okay, so this is correct lah. S equals to -2 and y equals to 1 over 3s minus 2. Okay, so you write down all the answer correctly. Make sure that you have to it. Okay, and then next, who else? The next, number 6. Who is number 6 now?
Me.
Who is you? Siapa yang
Gloria.
bersuara sekarang? Oh ya, yeah, okay. Wait wait save image. Okay, Ken. Saya present first. Okay, this one. Ya. Sekejap tengok boleh nampak tak. Boleh nampak. Tapi tak berapa terang It's okay lah tapi you ada kertas soalan. Boleh saya tanya, semua sudah ambil buku kerja ke? Workbook from the guardhouse?
Yeah.
Semua sudah. Sebab hari itu masa saya balik pada pukul 12.30 hari itu, saya tanya di guardhouse ada 2 lagi pelajar belum ambil, tapi saya tak tanya siapa nama lah. So saya harap semua sudah ambil dan ini salinan modul ini memang ada di dalam dia, awak boleh tengok. Okay, ya. Number 6, yes. 6A.
State whether the following statement is true or false. All rectangles are squares. False. B. State the contrapositive of the following statement. If A times 10 power of n is a standard form, then 1 greater less or equal to A less than 10 and n is an integer. If 1 is greater or equal to A greater than 10 and n is not an integer, then A times 10 power of n is not a standard form. Make a general conclusion by induction for the sequence of number -1 over 2, 3 over 2, 25 over 6, which follows the following pattern. Conclusion: 1 over 2 n square minus n power of -1, where n equal to 1, 2, 3.
Okay, thank you. So the questions number A, whether it's true or false. All the rectangles are square. Actually it's wrong because not all the rectangles are square. Some of it yes, but not all. So this question you just write false. Because the question didn't ask you to give the reason, so we no need to give the reason. So answer is false only, 1 mark. So the rectangle does not have 4 sides. Ini tak perlu lah. So you just give the false. And then for the questions B, uh, you are asking to state the contrapositive. Contrapositive means negation, negation of the converse, negation of the converse. So first of all, you read the sentence, you read the statement first. If a times 10 power of n is a standard form, then the 1 less than or equals to a less than 10 and n is an integer. So negation means penafian, ialah jadi bukan. So the answer for Gloria is correct here. So if, oh no no no, Gloria, we cannot write the inequality sign like this. Kita tidak boleh tulis simbol ketaksamaan macam ini ya. Lebih besar sama dengan tak boleh. We still use a less than or equal to. So if 1 less than or equals to a less than 10 and n, maksudnya dua-dua ini and n, ini dengan ini, dua-dua ini is not an integer. Not ini sudah merangkumi kedua-dua yang depan ini. So simbol ini tak boleh ubah. Still less than, still less than or equal and less than. Then a times 10 power of n is not a standard form. Yes, correct. Not. Itu masuk contrapositive. Okay, you are correct. Just ini simbol salah. Less than or equal to and less than. And then the last one. The conclusions seperti yang kita buat dulu, yang tepang ini kita tak peduli ya. So 1/2 all is 1/2. 149 is n power of 2, correct? 1/2 n power of 2 minus, actually this one you can write n power of -1. I accept, but you also can write 1/n. I read the answer, 1/2 n squared minus 1/n. But your answer here, n power of -1, this one I accept. Dia tidak salah. Tapi anda juga boleh tulis 1/n. So 1/2 n squared minus n power of -1 or 1/n 1/2 n squared minus 1/n, where the n equals to 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot. Yes, correct. So only this one, the B, you need the inequality sign is less than or equals to. Itu tidak boleh ubah. Sebab dia sudah digunakan not di sini, sudah mewakili dua-dua di depan ini lah. Okay, so ya, ini kalau 4 markah ini, awak akan hilang markah B lah, 1 markah. A 1 markah, B 1 markah, C 2 markah. So you will get 3/4 here. Okay, so this one no need to change. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, next, who is number, Dayang already? Have you already? You want to?
Yes.
Okay, now your terms. Okay. Saya sangat interesting dengan cara yang awak buat. Nanti saya belajar dari awak apa apps itu. Okay. Okay, start. Dayan, saya rasa dia masih tak ada bunyi. Tidak apa, mungkin awak boleh baca lah kan. You terangkan ikut cara awak lah, masa dia punya video bergerak. Ini awak type sendiri kah? Saya nak tanya, ini type sendiri kah? Solution itu. Tidak ada suara.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Sir, later I say.
Okay, so we go to question number 7 now. Question number 7. Who is question number 7 after Gloria?
Me, Sir Jane.
Oh, Jen, yeah. So how you do the presentations?
I have snapped the photo to you.
Ya kah? Mana ada? Tak ada pun.
Ada dekat Telegram.
Ya kah?
Ya.
Sekejap. Dekat Telegram dia kata. Okay. Oh ya, betul. I present first. Barulah present ini baru boleh dengar suara semua. Kalau tidak semua tidak mau bercakap, diam saja. Okay. Ini kah? 7 Okay, right. Yes.
7A. Determine whether the point negative 2, 4 65 y less than 3x plus 5, y equal to 3x plus 5, or y more than 3x plus 5. So my answer, I wrote it negative 2, 4 65 when y equal to 3x plus 5. So B.
Sekejap. What is your answer for A? Oh, you belum lagi jawab. Okay, terus ya. Okay. Oh, you baca soalan dulu lah. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, continue.
So for B, state two inequalities except x plus y more than 6 that define the shaded region. So the answer for 1 has been given. So the answer for 2, I wrote it's y more than x and 3x plus y less than 6. That's all.
So what is your answer for A just now? Which satisfy siapa punya? Y equals to 3s plus 5
Yes, I wrote like that.
And then number 2 is y greater than x, and then s plus y less than 6, is it? Betul Ini jawapan awak kan?
Yeah, my answer.
Okay, your answer is okay. Okay, so I try to present your answer, but I think your answer is not all the correct now. It's okay. I try to present this one boleh nampak kah? Belum lagi this one. Ini jawapan yang saya buat untuk soalan ini ya. Okay, so these questions are A, determine whether the point negative 2, 4 satisfy. Dia tanya awak, dia memuaskan mana satu dia satisfy y less than ke y equal or y greater than. Kalau tengok O is 3s plus 5, is it? So which one is satisfy the negative 2, 4? So you need to do like this when x equals to negative 2 from the point negative 2, 4 when x equals to negative 2 y equals to 3x plus 5. So you substitute the x equals to negative 2, 3 times negative 2 plus 5, you will get negative 1. Okay, but actually in the coordinate negative 2, 4, the y is 4, is it? 4 is greater than negative 1, you found, right? So actually the point negative 2, 4 is satisfied y greater than 3s plus 5. So the answer is y greater than 3s plus 5. You need to show how you determine the negative 2, 4, the point negative 2, 4 satisfy these inequalities. Itu cara dia. And then the B, you are given S plus Y already kan? Yang you tengok yang pertama sudah beri, tapi Jen you still write the S plus Y. No So one of it is Y less than or equals to 5. Kita tengok ini, yang merah ini. Yang saya guna anak panah merah ini. dia garis ini mengufutkan horizontal. Horizontal means passing the y-axis. So this straight line is y equals to 5. And we need to do less than 5. Y less than 5. Y less than 5. Okay. So under the straight line. But this is a solid line. So we use y less than or equals to 5. And another one is the blue color one. This is a dash line. Y equals to x. Dash line is above, right? The shadow region is above. Above means greater than. So the answer is y greater than x. This one you are correct. So 4 marks, you only get 1 marks only for Jen. Okay. So at the end, later on at the end, Jen awak jangan left dulu biar yang lain left dulu. Nanti ada saya nak beritahu awak sekejap. Okay, y greater than x, and then y less than or equals to 5. Okay. All right. So this is the answer for question number 7. Okay. So how about the Daya? Can you present your words now? Hello.
Cannot.
Cannot
Still no sound.
Okay. Kalau macam itu apa kata you ada bagi jawapan kan? Sekejap saya tengok you punya jawapan. Maybe awak present macam inilah. Saya tunjukkan jawapan awak and then mana Dayan tadi ya. Oh sini. Icon itu pun. Kalau saya tengah sini saya boleh dengar dia punya jawapan, tapi kalau tak tahu kenapa di sini dia tak boleh dengar. Okay, so can you give me your tapi ini awak punya jawapan betul Dayan. So maybe the else can Dayan have sent the video into our group already. So maybe after this all of you can go through the video and then but I try to show my answer here. Maybe you can as a reference. Okay, sekejap. Okay, so ini dia. So first of all, maybe you can read to our questions here. Berapa soalannya? Soalan 3. Okay. Alright. This one. So the first suggestion. We have we let the X is white tiles, and then the Y is a black tiles. Okay, so S we have 12 white tiles, white tiles. Ada 12 yang putih and 13 is a black color. For the first suggestion, 12 white color and 13 is black color, and all together is 101 ringgit. And then for second suggestion is white tiles we have 17, black tiles we have 8, and all together is 91 ringgit. So how you write these two equations for these two suggestions? So the first suggestion is 12x plus 13y equals to 101 ringgit. Second one is 17x plus 8y equals to 91 ringgit. So all together But if you want to use a substitution or eliminations method, up to you lah. But here I use a eliminations method, eliminate. So first equation I times 8, and second equation so I times 13, because I want to equalize the y, variable y. So after we do the multiplication 8 and 13, make sure that every terms inside the equation need to multiply the number 8 for the equation 1 and number 13 for equation 2. Setiap sebutan di dalam kena darab. So I will get 96x plus 104y equals to 808 for the first one. And then for the second one is 221x plus 104y equals to 1183. Okay, and then I do the minus subtraction. So I will get negative 125x equals to negative 375. And then I will get the s equals to 3. After get the s equals to 3, I substitute the s equals to 3 inside any one of the equations, 1, 2, any one. And then I get the 5 equals to 5. So your answer, Diana, is correct. Is correct. And then your word is very beautiful, but I don't know why. You can try first, why cannot present. Okay. Itu satu cara yang sangat bagus yang saya nampak menarik. Okay. So now we go to question number 3 sector. So now we go to which question already? I think we still have 5 minutes, so we can go to another one questions. Number 8, I think number 8 and number 9 kalau sempat. Number 8 is siapa ini? Joseph kah? Hello?
Yes.
Joseph, So how you present it?
I snapped the photo to you yesterday.
To you. Oh, ya kah? To me. Okay. Sekejap. Mana ada? Boleh nampak sekarang kah? Ada nampak ni? Saya pun tak tahu kenapa tak boleh keluar. So you enlarge your screen now. Okay. Yeah. Start. Faster.
Complete table X in the answer space for the equation y equal to 2x power of 2 plus 5x minus 7 by writing down the value of y when x equal to negative 1.
So what is the value when what is the value of y when the s equals to negative 1?
Negative 10.
Yeah, so the first mark is the negative 10. If you look at inside the table, only one space you need to fill, negative 10, 1 marks. Just you need to substitute the s equals to negative 1 into the equations given. The equation given is y equals to 2x squared plus 5s minus 7. So this is a quadratic equation. Okay. B. Hello?
By using a scale of 2cm to 1 unit on the x-axis and 2cm to 5 units on the y-axis, where the graph of y equal to 2x power of 2 plus 5x minus 7 for negative 5 less than x less than 2 and negative 10 less than y less than 18. So this is my graph.
Okay, so this is a quadratic graph. Okay, so you just plot the s and not plot. You draw the s-axis and y-axis. What I want to comment here, your s-axis s tidak ada tulis s, pasti s ini you s tak ada tulis, and then pada pasti s anak panah lah. Anak panah di sini ada nampak dia. You tak nampak saya punya cursor. And then y-axis you memang ada buat y lah. Okay. And then the first point, negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. And then the y-axis is a scale of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. And then for the below the 0 is negative 5, negative 10. Okay, correct. First point, negative 5, 18, correct. Negative 4, 5, correct. Negative 3, 4. I think negative 3, 4. Okay, correct. Okay, tapi mesti tepat negative 3, 4. Adakah ini 2 beta? Saya tak nampak jelas. And then negative 2, 9. Okay. And then negative 1, negative 10. And 0, negative 7. Correct. 0, 1, 0. Correct. And 2, 11. Correct. So this is the graph. And then your graph is smooth. All the point blocks is correct. So full marks. So this is the way. Okay, so thank you for questions number 8. Okay, I think we can still do the questions number 9. The last questions for today's. There is a Nazim. Just now I have seen your questions here. Okay. Boleh nampak? Yeah.
I'm going to present with laptop. Sir. If I can present laptop, I will use this one. The one I sent to you.
Okay, this one is your sent to me. Yeah. Okay. Start now.
Amin and Bob bought several pieces of chocolate at the supermarket. Bob bought twice the number of chocolates bought by Amin. After both of them ate 3 pieces of chocolate each, the number of chocolates left after multiplication is 14 pieces. Calculate the number of chocolates bought by Amin. I use X to represent the number of chocolates. Amin bought X number of chocolates, while Bob bought twice number of chocolate of Amin. So I use 2x to represent the number of chocolates bought by Bob. Then each of them ate 3 pieces of chocolate. Thus, I minus 3 on each of Amin and Bob. Later on, I multiply both of their equation with each other, and the product is 14. I move 14 to the left side because right side must be 0 because this is a quadratic equation. After I extend them, it will be 2x squared minus 9x minus 5 equal to 0. Use the calculator, which is this calculator, and the product will be x equal to 5 and x equal to negative 1 over 2. But the number of chocolates cannot be negative. Thus, the only acceptable answer is x equal to 5.
Yes.
Hence, the number of chocolate bought by Amin equal to 5.
Okay. So this question is a quadratic equation. So first of all, your answer is correct. Okay. So Amin, the chocolate bought by the Amin is, let's say, it's an X, and then the Bob is twice, means 2X. And then both of them already eat three pieces of chocolate, but your 3 something like 5, so should be careful. You punya tulisan 3 macam 5. So the chocolate left now by the Amin is S minus 3, and then for the Bob is 2S minus 3. Okay, so the multiply of them, you will get 14, right? After multiplications. So you do the expansion, and then you will get 2x squared minus 9s minus 5 equals to 0. And then we do, awak tidak buat bracket factorization. Tak boleh. You need to do the factorization first. You need to do the factorizations. So I show my ones for to you. Sekejap lagi. Ada kelas selepas ini kah? Untuk Google Meet. Maaf sekejap. Question number 9. Where is number 9? This one. Okay, so I show it to you. This is my answer. But your answer is correct. Okay, so Amin, at the beginning, we have an X piece of chocolate. Bob, 2X. After each 3, S minus 3 and 2S minus 3. And the multiplication of them equals to 14. So 2S squared minus 9S minus 5 equals to 0 is correct for Nazim. But Nazim, you didn't do the factorization here. So no more marks. You only can get 1 marks from here. That is a general form. 2s squared minus 9s minus 5 equal to 0, 1 marks. The else 3 marks is wrong because you didn't do the factorization. Even though your final answer is correct, but you didn't do the factorization, no more marks. Okay, remember. So open 2 brackets, 2s plus 1 and s minus 5. And then you can get the answer from the calculator actually. The first is s equals to negative 1 over 2. The second one is s equal to 5. Mungkin semalam masa saya semak jawapan awal saya terlupa. Ini kena ada pemfaktoran di sini ya. So because the x is the number of chocolate, so number of chocolate cannot be negative. So we need to choose s equal to 5. So the answer is the number of chocolate bought by Aming is x, right? S is 5. And tapi dia tidak tanya bought. You buat bought punya 10 tak ada masalah. Tapi tak perlu sebenarnya sebab dia tak tanya. Okay, so the answer is S equals to 5. The number of chocolate bought by the Aming equals to 5. Okay, so can all of you clear questions 1 to 9? Jelas ke? Halo?
Jelas.
Boleh Okay, so tomorrow